Hello, in today's video, we'll discuss how to withdraw money from a PayPal account. Watch until the end to learn how to complete the process. There are two ways to get money off a PayPal account, through the PayPal website or the PayPal app. Let's explore both methods. Using the PayPal website. Go to the paypal.com sign-in page. Log in using your email or phone number and password. Select the transfer money option and choose to withdraw from PayPal to a bank account. Choose between an instant or standard transfer. Select your card or bank and click Transfer. Using the PayPal app. Launch the app on your device and go to PayPal Balance. Select Bank Transfer and enter the amount to withdraw. Choose when the transfer should occur, either in minutes or in 1 to 3 days. Select your card or bank and tap Transfer Now. And that's how you can get money off a PayPal account using either the website or the app. It's just that easy. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.